Trans fans, tonight we are here in Laguna. Well, I miss Laguna. It's been a long time that we haven't been here. You are watching Miss Gay San Ildefonso 2025 here at San Ildefonso, Laguna. Well, I am so proud of these candidates because most of them are my friends. You'll see Jennifer, and of course, later on, we have 11 candidates who will compete for different categories, which is the national costume, swimsuit, and the long gown. Well, I am just so excited for tonight's pageant. So trans fans, sit back and relax, and we promise to give you the best live stream to the best that we can. Well, trans fans, later on, we will also be awarding our Miss Trans Fans of the Night, so watch out for that. And of course, at the end of this month, we will also do our raffle for our top followers for this month. So watch out for that as well. So trans fans, thank you so much. Well, I am your host, Stacy Doroteo, and this is brought to you by Trans Fans. Trans Fans, our first category for tonight's pageant for Miss Gay San Ildefonso 2025 is the national costume. I saw our candidates on the backstage earlier, and I saw, there are big costumes, sexy costumes that they will show to us. And to all our 11 candidates, good luck and be proud as a Filipino.
Barangay San Ildefonso. That is Mia Fandino, a fresh, indeed innocent 17 years old stunner. Huli all the way last from Barangay San Juan, Alaminos, Laguna. Marami pong salamat. Paalam.
kabutihan. Ang tunay na kagandahan hindi makikita sa palabas na kanyuan. Nandito ako sa inyong harapan. Nasa Diyos ang awa, nasa akin ang pagmamahal ninyong lahat. I love you all! I miss you! Sa nilayo-layo pa po ng aking pinanggalingan, people of Alaminos, wala po bang palakpakan dyan? At wala rin hubang hiyawan dyan. Maraming salamat po. I care not what they say for but the color of my skin. I love the brilliant light of my soul. Blind them. For things turn out to be the best and people who made the best out of way things turn out. For hope is better than fear. Optimism has always been better than despair. And let us all be loving hopefully and optimistic that we could real definitely change the world. My real name is Karil Adwana Borlongan, a 19-year-old sinner who truly all the way last from the famous Mount Makulot, from the home of the bakers. Bayang progresibo, patuloy po ang pag-asenso. Bayan ng Cuenca, probinsya ng Batangas. Once again, I am Karil Adwana Borlongan, your candidate number 3. Judges, mark my number. Because tonight, I will surely give you a show that you will never, ever forget. And the costume that I am wearing for tonight is the famous Ebon Ebon Festival of Pampanga. Once again, ladies, let the battle of not just beauty, but brain begin. Thank you.
nagmumula sa barangay ng mga masisikip na tao. Barangay San Andres. My national costume is from the one of the progressive city in our country, Muntinlupa City. It is a Bulaklakan festival that the people of Muntinlupa look forward to it. At naniniwala sa kasabihang, kapag may usok, may nag-iihaw. Maraming salamat po.
Hiyawan. Wala pong kailangang mamatay, wala pong kailangang masunugan ng bahay. Dahil ang tanging hiling lamang po naming mga kandidata ang iyong mainit na masagabong palakpakan na may kasamang hiyawan. Barangay San Ildefonso. The physical attribute of the person in time of change. Better goodness and the greatest of a heart will last a lifetime. Because I do believe that the one should be careful by your thoughts. It's your thoughts may become your words. Your words may become your action. And your action may become your personality that will do it in my destination. The transgender here in front of you is one of the newly crowned our Laguna Gay Queen second runner-up 2024. One of the newly crowned of Queen San Pablo 2025 third runner-up. And I'm your Miss International Queen Philippines Calabarzon 2024 finalist and one of the Miss Q&A in its Showtime. Opo, nung July 30, 2022. Toto po iyon lahat. By the way, my name is Jenny Ferranilio, but for tonight, this is a competition. Please do allow me to stand by the name Miss Only One and Only. Ang babaeng bawal hawakan, baka kayo'y matunaw. Ang babaeng bawal titigan, baka kayo tigasan ng kamao. Yes, ako na nga po, Miss Teresita Sin Winwin Marquez. Teresita Sin Winwin Marquez saying, if you have it, show it. Mamatay po silang lahat sa inggit. Mark, my number 5, because it's not about my number. I give happiness and enjoyment tonight. Thank you.
Danes wants to be remarkable. Yes, my name is Miss Lian Marie Risa, a 17 years old stunning healing all the way from Barangay San Andres, Municipality ng Alaminos, Probinsya ng Laguna. Dagahang salamat po.
ay hindi nasusukat sa liit ng iyong bewang o sa malako-kakolang katawan. Ano man ang iyong timbang, lagi mong pakatatandaan na mas mabigat pa rin ang pusong mapagmahal at utak na puno ng kaalaman. Kaya wag mamaliitin dahil sa gabing ito, ako lamang ang nag-iisang plus-size queen. My name is Justine Carpio, 25 years old, hailing all the way from the Progressive Gateway to the province of Batangas, city of Santo Tomas!
a better compliment than I love you. Why should I say so? That it's only because we cannot always trust the person that we love, but we can always love the person that we trust. Good evening, beautiful people! Nasa inyo pong harapan ang baklang kauna-unahang kinoronahan sa Miss Q&A. It's showtime, ABS-CBN, Media Network. Opo, ako nga po, si Miss IC Tria. IC Tria ng Lipa na nagsasabing, kung si Junjun po ay maalat-alat, siya'y galing sa Mandaragat. Kung si Junjun po ay manamis-namis, siya'y galing sa may diabetes. Ngunit minamahal kong manonood, minamahal kong hurado, kung si Junjun po ay mapait-pait, huwag na po kayong magtaka, siya'y galing sa aking puwit. Thank you!
Joshua D., 21, from the first class municipality of Alaminos, Laguna, Barangay Uno. My costume is inspired at Ati-Atihan Festival. Viva Fit Señor Santo Niño!
hello and mabuhay. Wala po bang masigawang palakpakan dyan? Wala po bang bonggang-bonggang hiyawan dyan? And by the way, highway, my name is Angelica Hernandez Bermudez, 28 years old from Marilao, Bulacan City. Opo, dumayo pa po kami dito para magpasaya sa inyong kapistahan. At nandito na po ang tunay na kawangis at tunay na Diyosa. Nagmula pa po sa bakuran ng GMA at ang may hawak ng brilyante ng lupa. And I'm your Binibining Gay Pilipinas Miss Tourism. And I'm your Miss Gay Philippine Miss Grand International. And I'm your Super Sirena Queen of the Oceans. And I'm your one of the grand finalists, drag show and reality contest here in Philippines, Drag Dance Season 2, also known as Russia Fox. Opo, nandito na po ang tunay na wangis ni Binibining Sanya Lopez. Ang hindi pumalakpak pag-uwi, mamamatay! Ang hindi magiyawang pag-uwi, mababangungot pagtulog! Naloka kayo, no? At naniniwala po sa kasabihan, dagdag pampagood vibes lang po ito. Pag lumubog na ang araw, ibig sabihin, gabi na. Pero pag lumubog mukha mo, kuya, sige, shabu pa! At naniniwala din sa isang kasabihan dahil marami kaming kasabihan, mga bakla. Mamakla maski mang babae. Kasi pag ng babae ka, gagastos ka. Pag ito'y niligawan mo, gagastos ka. Pag ito'y nabuntisan mo, nagkaanak kayo, nagkapamilya kayo, ay day, gagastos ka. At lalo na po, pag ang babae po, pag ito ay namatay, ay, gagastos ka. Di katulad naming mga bakla, pipikit ka lang, ititirig ang iyong paa, pagising mo, may iPhone 16 Pro Max ka na, may motor ka pa! At pag sumama ka pa sa akin kinabukasan, ay day, may PhilHealth na nanay mo, may pag-ibig pa tatay mo. May costume wear spot, may modern Filipiniana, recycle in Abaca. Tangkilitin natin ang ating sariling mga Pinoy. Representing from Daraga, Bicol, Albay, Bulkan, Mayon.
mamatay na lang tayong lahat. My name is Trixie Chua, 19 years old of Sunner, representing Cagayan de Oro City. At naniniwala sa kasabihan, aanhin mo pa ang shabu, cocaine at marijuana. Kung sa akin pa lang ay sabog ka na. And I thank you!
Candidate number Candidate number 10, Miss Angelica Hernandez Bermudez. This is the first award or major award for candidate number 10.
And you are still watching Miss Gay San Ildefonso 2025. Okay, well, I see. How are you tonight? Are you enjoying the night so far?
I'm good and looking forward sa mga mangyayari. Honestly, masayang-masaya po ako kasi kasali ako sa pageant tonight.
Well, that's great. So, that's gonna be my next question. So, what is the one thing that you're excited about this pageant?
Syempre gusto kong manalo, gusto kong magbigay kasiyahan sa mga tao and sa mga trans fans. Love it! Eh!
Is this your first time that you'll be covered by trans fans as a candidate?
Yes, sobrang ganda mo pala sa personal.
Thank you.
And nakakatuwa kasi isa ako sa mga na-interview.
Yes, because you know, we saw you on your costume earlier. That's why we decided let's take this girl for the interview for the national costume. So later on, watch out for other girls, of course, on the swimsuit and next categories. So I see, good luck and thank you for your comment. Is this our first time that we interact?
Yes, first time po nating magkita and grabe, manika.
Thank you. You're so gorgeous as well. I see, good luck and take home the crown, okay?
I will. Thank you.
What's next? It's the casual wear. 11 candidates in their different colors, different designs of casual. That is why kudos to all the designers here in Laguna for doing those creative costumes that we will be seeing in a few moments. So to all our candidates, good luck.
we will have our casual wear interview in the form of a hashtag. So each candidate will be given a hashtag and they will be giving their insights or a meaning to that hashtag. Of course, without further ado, let us call in again on stage our candidate number 1, Miss Mia Pandino. Alright, Miss Mia Pandino. Alright, how are you tonight? Okay, so let us call in. Sorry, I didn't catch her name. Our hashtag girl. So the hashtag is hashtag beauty with purpose. Again, hashtag beauty with purpose.
Para po sa aking ang beauty with purpose, ay ngayon, sinaselebrate po namin ngayong mga parte ng LGBTQA+. Bukod sa ganda, ipinakikita ho namin ang kanya-kanya naming advokasya upang magbigay ng magandang inspirasyon sa bawat kabataan at lalong-lalo na sa lahat ng manonood. Marami pong salamat.
Thank you very much, our candidate number 1, Ms. Mia Pandino. Now, let us call in our second candidate, Ms. Amanda Borja. Yes. Okay, how are you tonight? Kamusta naman ang iyong gabi?
Masaya.
Masaya. Sure ka ba? Ayan. Okay, let's pick one of your hashtag. Okay, this is your hashtag. Hashtag stop bullying.
I believe marami pong nabobully sa at pagiging discriminate po sa aming lahat. At ako po ay nakatanggap din ng pambubuli at masakit po to sa akin. And I thank you.
Alright, thank you very much. That was candidate number 2, Ms. Amanda Borja. Next, of course, is our very beautiful Miss candidate number 3, Karil Aduana Borlonga. And here's your microphone. Alright, Miss Karil, how are you tonight?
Actually, it's very overwhelming to compete with 11 beautiful candidates. But whatever happened tonight, what really matters the most is that pinapalakpakan ho at nire-respeto ko po kami ng mga taong nanonood ngayong gabi. Maraming salamat po.
Yes, indeed. Barangay San Ildefonso is a very respectable barangay here in Alaminos. Now let us pick your hashtag. All right, your hashtag is hashtag social media impact. Again, hashtag social media impact.
Thank you so much, ma'am, to that very mind-boggling hashtag. You know what? In this modern era where social media is very used and rampant nowadays, I always believe that we as an individual or as a person, we should always be mindful on how we are using our platform and able to share the knowledge that we have in ourselves that we can share to each and every one of us na oo, maraming tao ang merong kakayahan na magkaroon at maging nasa loob ng isang social media. Ngunit bilang isang matalinong tao, nasa mga kamay natin kung papaano natin gagamitin ito. Can you really imagine that maraming taong nakakaranas ng diskriminasyon, ng pangungutya ng ibang tao dahil sa social media? Can't we really imagine na maraming taong hindi nila alam kung paano nila ipapakita ang tunay na sarili nila dahil nahihiya sila sa panghuhusga ng ibang tao? And one thing that I would like to let other people know, always think before we click. That is my straightforward answer, and that is what you call bullseye. Thank you.
Thank you very much, candidate number 4, Miss Karil, or Miss Queen Natalie Salvador. Okay, how are you tonight?
I'm feeling ecstatic with a little bit kaba. But overall, I'm so happy because my family are there.
Okay, ecstatic with a little bit of kaba. Nakuryente ka ba sa likod?
Yeah.
Hindi na. Ganyan talaga, merong parang surprising effect. Now let us pick your hashtag.
Thank you so much.
All right, are you ready, Miss Natalie?
Yeah.
Here is your hashtag, hashtag mental health. Again, hashtag mental health.
Okay, thank you for that hashtag. Last 2023, I've been diagnosed with my mental health. I have a mental health disorder that I got a sexual and physical abuse and also mental abuse. And this breaks me so much. But that happening makes me the gay nor woman who I am today. And I am so grateful that I am standing here today in front of all of you. Now, I will recap the hashtag. It's hashtag mental health. Hashtag mental health. This is the word that we have to think before we say, click, and anything to others. Through social media, through physical, in everyday living, people bash me every day. At nadadamage po nito ang mental health ko. Kaya ang kailangan natin ay magtulungan at magkaisa para sa ikauunlad ng ating barangay. Ngayong nakatayo ako dito sa inyong harapan, ako ay kinakabahan at hindi ko alam ang aking sinasabi. Ito ay dahil sa aking mental health. Kaya ang dapat natin gawin ay isipin kung ano ang ibabato natin sa kapwa natin. Na kung sa ganon, dapat nating ipakalat ang ating pagmamahal. Maraming salamat po.
Thank you very much, candidate number 4, for that very fun answer for tonight. And of course, after candidate number 4, Miss Queen Natalie Salvador is our candidate number 5, Miss Jennifer Juanilio. Good evening, Miss Jennifer. How are you tonight?
Okay naman po, kahit medyo may konting problema kanina. But I'm so happy na mainit na pag-welcome namin sa inyo dito, sa inyong barangay. Maraming salamat po. And I would like to thank God na kahit papano, hindi niya tayo binuhusan ng malakas na ulan na kung saan na mas maraming makapanood sa atin. Maraming salamat po.
Thank you very much. You're very sweet and kind. Now, let us pick your hashtag. Again, your hashtag is inclusive fashion. All right, inclusive, that means it should include the LGBT community too. Again, hashtag inclusive fashion.
Okay, ladies and gentlemen, as a part of the LGBT, lahat naman tayo may kanya-kanyang fashion o kanya-kanyang talento dito sa mundong ibabaw. But I always believe that as a part of the LGBT, I'm a contented what we have. I'm a makeup artist, designer, also the pageantry. Lagi natin tatandaan, sa mga gantong bagay, dapat lagi tayong may pangarap sa bawat isa. Dahil dito sa mundong ibabaw, karamihan, maraming diskriminasyon na nagaganap sa ating pang-araw-araw na bubuhay. But lagi nating tatandaan, ang pagkakaroon ng pangarap sa ating sarili, tsak kailanman tayo mismo ang magdadala nito hanggang sa ating makuha na ang ating mga kanya-kanyang pangarap. Nang sa ganon, mas makatulong tayo ng mas maayos, hindi lamang para sa ating sarili, kundi sa mga mahal natin sa buhay, also sa ating pamilya. Maraming salamat po.
Thank you very much. That was our candidate number 5, Miss Jennifer Juanilio. Now let us have our candidate number 6, Miss Leanne Marie Briza. All right, Miss Lian, again, welcome. And how are you feeling tonight?
Okay lang. Kinakabahan.
Okay. Now, let us pick your hashtag. This is very easy. Your hashtag is gender equality. Again, gender equality.
Okay, thank you so much for that wonderful hashtag. Alam naman po natin na ang gender equality ay ang pagpapantay-pantay ng kasarian. Kung baga, sa aming mga kabaklaan o kaya sa aming mga member ng LGBT community, kahit anong gawin nyo, kahit anong insultuhin nyo kami sa harapan namin, at kami po ay patuloy na natatayo sa inyong harapan at magbibigay ngiti at magbibigay inspirasyon habang nabubuhay kami. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Ms. Lian Marie. Lian Marie Brisa, our candidate number 6. Now let us call in candidate number 7, Justin Carpio. Okay, Justin Carpio, how are you tonight?
Feeling great and a little bit nervous, but it's okay. It's part of the game.
All right, now let us pick your hashtag. Okay, your hashtag is freedom of expression. Again, hashtag freedom of expression.
Unang-una po, magandang gabi po sa inyo lahat. For me, freedom of expression is kung paano mo po may express ng malaya ang iyong nararamdaman. Dahil sa paniniwala ko po, kung ano po ang nararamdaman mo, kung malungkot ka man, kung galit ka man, kung masaya ka man, ay dapat pakawalan mo ito sa iyong sarili. Dahil pag sinarili mo ang iyong galit, ang iyong kalungkutan, pati na rin po ang kasiyahan, wala pong matututunan sa inyo ang ibang tao. Ngunit, pag kayo po ay pag nag-share po kayo sa ibang tao ng inyong nararamdaman, mas luluwag po yung pakiramdam ninyo. Mas magiging okay po yung pakiramdam ninyo. At doon din po papasok na magkakaroon tayo ng magandang good mental health para po sa ating sarili for our brighter future. Yun lamang po at maraming salamat.
Thank you very much, Justin Carpio. And now, that was our candidate number 7. Now let us call in our candidate number 8, Miss IC Tria. Hi, good evening, Miss IC. How are you feeling tonight?
Good evening, ma'am. I feel so good and great kasi isa ako sa mga candidate na nagko-compete tonight.
All right, you're very beautiful tonight. And now, let us pick your hashtag. All right, your hashtag is cultural diversity. Again, hashtag cultural diversity.
Okay, for me, isa lang ang tinutukoy niyang hashtag na yan. Ang pagkakaroon ng pagkakaunawaan sa bawat isa, ito man ay pampolitika or pansarili nating kapakanan. As long as magkakaroon tayo ng cultural diversity, naniniwala po ako na magkakaroon din tayo ng kapayapaan dahil magkakaunawaan tayo. Huwag nating hayaan na magkaroon ng dungis at away sa pagitan ng bawat isa. Gawin nating mas masaya at maging maganda ang lipunan para magkaroon tayo ng isang mapayapa at masayang mundo na pwede nating i-enjoy habang nabubuhay pa. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Miss IC Tria, our candidate number 7. Now let us welcome our next candidate. That was candidate number 8. Miss IC Tria. Now let us welcome candidate number 9, Miss Joshua D. Hi, Miss Joshua D. How are you feeling?
I feel kind of nervous because this is my first time actually joining in this pageant po.
Alright, so let's put our mic na medyo malapit para mas malinaw maintindihan ang ating hashtag. Now let us choose your hashtag. All right, your hashtag is overpopulation. Again, hashtag overpopulation.
Okay, so as of now po, nakakaranas po tayo ng matindihang overheat dahil po sa ating mga ginagawa. Kaya po, ang lahat ay inihikayat ko na ngayon pa lamang po ay tayo po ay gumawa ng aksyon. At for me po, ang overpopulation ay ang pagdami po ng ating mga pamilya, over the population po. And that is why family planning is very important for us Filipino po. Yun lamang po at maraming salamat.
All right. Thank you very much, Ms. Joshua D., our candidate number 9. Now let us call in our candidate number 10, Ms. Angelica Hernandez Bermudez. Here's your mic, Ms. Angelica. Let's come in here at the center. And so, again, how are you feeling tonight, Ms. Angelica?
Nape-pressure. Nape-pressure. Ay, by the way, thank you so much sa support dito po sa lahat ng mga nanonood ngayong gabi at sa inyong mainit na pagtanggap sa amin dito. Maraming salamat po.
Yes, Ms. Angelica Hernandez Bermudez. Now, let us pick your hashtag. All right, so your hashtag is volunteerism or pag-volunteer. Again, hashtag volunteerism.
Okay, volunteerism for me, it's my advocacy for me. And the last time is, di ba, nagkaroon tayo ng pandemic. So, yung volunteerism ko, I have a feeding program sa mga bata. Dahil napaka-importante po to, hindi naman lahat ng tao may mga pera. Kaya siguro, ang binolunteer ko nung pandemic is yung sarili kong pera at sarili kong pinaghirapan, sarili kong ipon. Binolunteer ko po, gumawa po ako ng sariling program ko sa aming barangay po. At hindi lang po sa aming barangay, sa iba pong barangay, para at least makatulong tayo sa ibang tao. Hindi ko sinusolo ang aking blessing. Gusto ko po, sinishare ko to sa buong tao para sa bandang huli, may blessing na magandang darating sa buhay ko. Maraming salamat po.
Thank you very much, Ms. Angelica Hernandez Bermudez, our candidate number 10. Now, let us call in again here on stage our last but not the least candidate for our casual wear interview. Let us all welcome candidate number 11, Miss Trixie Chua. Phone, how are you feeling tonight? Very confident, rather?
Actually, this is my first time, so that I'm gonna be so very enjoying. So this.
All right, so she's very much enjoying the night. Now let us pick your hashtag. All right, our last hashtag for candidate number 11 for tonight is hashtag human rights. Again, hashtag human rights.
Human rights. Para po sa akin, ang human rights ay nasa ating lahat. Hindi lang po natin ginagamit ito dahil natatakot tayo sa mayayaman. Huwag tayong matakot sa mga nakatataas sa atin dahil tayo ay pantay-pantay. Tayo ay tumatai lamang at tayo ay nabubuhay sa mundong ito. Tayo ay tao lang at hindi ko lang sasabihin to dito sa aming mga kandidata or dahil sa inyong lahat. Sasabihin ko po para sa atin to. Nandito po ako dahil sa mga bisexual na hindi nila maipakita kung sino talaga sila at kung ano yung kasurian nila. Huwag kayong matakot ang ilabas kung ano ang meron kayo dahil may Panginoon tayong nakatingin sa atin at yun lang po. Maraming salamat.
Thank you very much. Ayan. Our last candidate number 11, Miss Trixie Chua.
And you are still watching Miss Gay San Ildefonso 2025, and I am with our last but not the least candidate, of course, Trixie. Well, Trixie, how are you? And are you enjoying the night so far?
I'm good, thank you.
Okay, well, very short answer. Okay, well, Trixie, can you tell us what is that one thing that you're excited about for tonight's event?
Excited po ako na may pahatid kung ano yung gusto naming may pahatid sa mga manonood. At isa lang po ang masasabi ko sa inyong lahat. Maganda man ako, di ba?
Alright, Trixie, you know what? Can I just share something? I saw your face without makeup and you look so handsome. I must suggest. So, yeah, looking forward for you to be part of our top 5 and for you to get the crown, you know? Because I believe, are you also representing the bisexual world?
Yeah, I'm representing a bisexual world because this is my first time and I am bisexual then. I want to be a part of this company and this group. It's because this is I want, and all I want is all I want. Thank you.
Yes, we are all LGBTQ, right? All right, so Trixie, good luck, and of course, go and take home the crown, okay?
Thank you.
Are you all excited to see our 11 candidates in their swimsuit? Well, me too. I know you're excited. And what we're going to expect in this competition or in this category? Well, their sexy body, their flawless skin, and the way they enjoy the stage. So ladies, ladies round.
Number 5, Miss Jennifer Manilio.
San Ildefonso 2024, and I am with our candidate number 10, Angelica Bermudez, of course.
Hello, mabuhay!
Well, how are you tonight? I can see your glitters all over your body. How do you apply it? Is that a spray?
Yes, I'm so haggard today and sorry sa mga pakintab ko. Kasi sabi nga nila, di ba, kung maganda ka, magbuhos ka. Charot.
Yes. Yeah, full of glitters, right? Yeah. But yeah, you know what? Every time that I join pageants as well, I am full of glitters as well. Because it's really, it's really giving us a good impact and big impact on stage.
Yes, because I'm enjoyed lang. Enjoy lang, masaya lang. Yun lang, para iwas stress, anti-bagot.
Right. So what is the one thing that you're excited about, tonight's pageant?
Ano ulit? Hindi ko marinig. Ang ingay.
What is that one thing that you're excited about for tonight's pageant?
Yes, I'm very excited to Q&A. Charot! Q&A. Charot. Hindi, I'm so excited to the category or talent or any kind of pageant. Yes, I'm so very excited because because dito na ako naging veteran. Dito na ako lumaki. And I'm so happy because happy fiesta.
Yes. And you know what? I have to be honest. Every categories, Mama Angelica Bermudez is always nailing every category. So I'm so proud.
Thank you. Thank you so much. What's up, mga trans fans? Siya.
Tama ka, kuyang sumigaw. Sino kaya ang ating best in long gown? Candidate number 10.
Do you want to become our new trans content creator? Earn while creating your own unique content. Here's how you can join in just a few easy steps. First, open your browser and go to www.transfans.com. Once you're on the homepage, click Sign In. Don't worry, we're just getting started. Now scroll down to the bottom and you will see a button, Sign Up Now. Go ahead and click that. It's time to fill in your details. You'll need your email, a username, and of course, a secure password. Once done, click Sign Up. Easy as that. Simply click on the profile icon at the top and select Become a Creator. Ready? Great! Let's keep going. Now, pick your category. It's all about what you want to create. Then, fill in the basics like your date of birth, where you're from, and your phone number. We're almost there! Time to upload a fabulous profile photo. And here's the final step. Select your ID type, then upload both the front and back of your chosen ID. Once everything is in, hit Become a Creator. And just like that, you're all set. You'll get an email confirming that your account has been approved. Once approved, you can start uploading your awesome content and begin earning while doing what you love. See you, trans fans!
Well, good evening, Alaminos, Laguna. Well, I believe this is our first time here in Alaminos. So thank you so much for the warm welcome, of course, to all the people of Laguna. And of course, tonight, I am here to introduce to Laguna what is TransFans. Well, TransFans is a website for trans content creator who would like to, share their daily lives, want to share their photos, videos, or they just want to be themselves. So if you want to become our creator, there are 2 steps. You just have to go to www.transfans.com, and after that, you have to click Sign Up. Then after signing up, there is another option, which is to click Become a Creator. Then after that, you will get approved after a few hours. And you can start posting photos, videos, or any vlogs that you would like, and you can earn a lot of income. You know what? I can receive a lot of incomes on my account as well. So to all my trans sisters out here who already signed up on our website, good job. Because, you're more to receive tips from our, for our subscribers. All right, and of course, we also have our TransFans page. Don't forget to follow and like our Facebook page, which is TransFans. All right, and tonight, few days ago, I believe just yesterday, we have an agreement that the most number of posts will win Miss TransFans of the Night. And our Miss TransFans of the Night will receive a sash, crown, bouquet, and definitely a cash prize worth 3,000 pesos! Already a winner, right? So our Miss TransFans of the Night garnered an average score of 130 points on our website. Mr. DJ, can I have a drum roll? Our Miss TransFans of the Night is candidate number 4.
Candidate number 4 is Miss Queen Natalie Salvador. This is her first major award of the night. And of course, she will be receiving a crown, a cash, a sash, and a flower from TransFans.
All right, congratulations to candidate number 4. She's really hardworking, you know. She mentioned to me that she didn't sleep just to keep on posting on our website. Good job. All right, on behalf of my TransFans team, well, I am Stacy Derreteo. I would like to congratulate the whole organizers. And of course, thank you so much, Laguna, for the warm welcome. See you again. And good night, TransFans.
Our first top 5, pasok ka na! Candidate number... Candidate number 3! Our candidate number 3 is Miss Karil Aduana Borlongan. Our next top 5 finalists is none other than candidate number candidate number 5. Our next top 5 finalists to be included is candidate number 8. Next to the top 5, pasok ka na, candidate number 9. And now, the last top 5 to be included is candidate number candidate number 10. Congratulations, ladies. And of course, you guys have done very well. Ayan. Congratulations. Ladies and gentlemen, let us welcome our candidate number 3, Miss Karil Aduana Borlongan, for the question and answer portion. So she will be picking one. Is that a number for our judge? Or the question itself? So you will be picking up the question. So let us have the questions for her. Ano ang iyong pinakamalaking takot sa buhay at paano mo ito nilalabanan? Again, ano ang iyong pinakamalaking takot sa buhay at paano mo ito nilalabanan?
According to the book of Revelation, everything in this world has its own beginning and has its own ending. You know what? Ladies and gentlemen, panel board of judges, growing up, I'm always asking myself, what is my real purpose living in this world? And answering that kind of question is that, ano nga daw po ba ang pinakamalaking takot ko sa buhay at papaano ko ito nilalabanan? Since I'm always asking my purpose, napakasimple lang ho ng kasagutang ibibigay ko sa ganyang klaseng tanong. Ang pinakamalaking kinakatakutan ko is to die without leaving any legacy in this world. Why? Because I always believe, ladies and gentlemen, that each and every one of us in this world is purposeful. We are knowledgeable enough to be an inspiration to each and every one of us. At sa papaanong paraan ko daw po ito nilalabanan? Simple. By teaching minds, touching hearts, and transforming lives of people. teaching minds in a way that I can share the knowledge that I have gained from my education and from my experiences. Na oo, aminado ako sa sarili ko at tanggap ko na lahat ng tao ay mamamatay. But what really matters the most is that mamamatay akong maiiwang aral at legasiya sa mga taong nanonood ngayong gabi. Second, touching hearts of people. Touching hearts of people in a way that I can share the love that is coming from me. Na oo, hindi ako mapapagod na magbigay ng pagmamahal, pangunawa, pagtanggap at pagrespeto, gaya lamang ng hinihingi ko bilang isang tao. Once again, lilisan ako sa mundo, ngunit ang maaalala ng tao ay ang puso na naibigay ko sa bawat isa. And lastly, the most important thing is that to transform lives of people. Transforming lives of people in a way that I can be an inspiration to inspire, aspire, and transpire to other people that yes, I can make a legacy in this world na maaaring mamatay man ako ngayon. Ngunit bukas, maaalala ko ng tao hindi bilang si candidate number 3 ay sumali sa Miss Gay San Ildefonso. Siya ay maganda, siya ay talino. Ngunit ang taing maaalala ng tao, minsan may isang baklang tigamalayo na marayang nagpakita ng kanyang talino, puso, at kung paano niya binigyan ng importansya ang ibang tao. Because I've always believed na sabi nga sa isang pelikula, die beautiful. But for me, I will die purposeful. That is my straightforward answer, ma'am, sir. And if you need further clarifications and questions, approach me there at the backstage. I am always free over a cup of coffee. Thank you.
Our next top 5 finalists for the Q&A is candidate number 5, Miss Jennifer Juanillo. Miss Jennifer Juanillo, kindly pick your question. The question is, ano ang mensahe mo sa mga kabataang nahihirapan tanggapin ang kanilang tunay na pagkatao? Again, ano ang mensahe mo sa mga kabataang nahihirapan tanggapin ang kanilang tunay na pagkatao?
Well, for me, ladies and gentlemen, ang mensahe ko po sa mga kabataan na hindi nila kayang tanggapin ang pagkatao nila. As a part of the LGBT, kailangan ho natin, bago natin tayo tanggapin ng ibang tao, dapat tayo mismo muna ang yumakap sa ating pagkatao na kung ano at sino ka man. Dahil dito sa mundong ibabaw, ni kailanman, hindi naging basihan, bakla ka man, tumboy ka man, lalaki ka man, o babae ka man. As long na wala kang ginagawang masama dito sa mundong ibabaw, mananatili kang pwedeng huminga at magmahal. Lagi natin tatandaan, bilang isang parte ng LGBT, naranasan ko na rin ho, hindi minsan maniwala sa aking sarili. Ngunit nandyan ang aking pamilya na handa akong suportahan, yapusin, pangaralan na kung saan, pag nawawala na ako sa landas ng aking tinatahag. Kaya hindi masamang humingi ng gabay sa ating mga pamilya pag alam natin hindi natin matanggap ang ating sarili. Because whatever you do for today, you'll always be the mirror and reflection for your tomorrow. Kaya naman habang nabubuhay ka dito sa mundo ibabaw, mas piliin mong tanggapin at unahin ang iyong sarili. Sapagkat pag inuna mo ang iyong sarili, tsak, kailanman, hindi ka magkakamali as long na wala kang ginagawang masama. This is my answer. No more, no less, o tinatawag nilang punchline. Thank you.
Now let us call again on stage our candidate number 8, Miss Icy Tria. Anong aral ang pinakamahalaga para sa isang modernong Pilipina? Again, anong aral ang pinakamahalaga para sa isang modernong Pilipina?
Okay, for my own opinion, naniniwala po ako na ang pinaka-importanting araw para po sa akin ay ito ay ang araw na ipipikit ko ang aking dalawang mata at ipapantay ko po ang aking dalawang paa. Haharap po ako sa langit, maninikluhod upang ako'y kanyang tanggapin. Dahil naniniwala po ako na walang sino man sa manonood na naririto, walang sino man sa lahat ng huradong naririto, maging sa aking mga co-candidates ay isang perpekto. Lahat tayo ay may kasalanan, lahat tayo ay may pinagdadaanan, ngunit magkaganon pa man, dadating ang araw, ipipikit natin ang ating dalawang mata, papantay ang ating dalawang paa. Hindi tayo huhusgahan ng poong may kapal kung ano tayo at kung paano tayo dito sa mundo. Bagkus ang itatanong niya sa atin kung paano mo pagsisisihan ang bawat kasalanan na ipinukol sa'yo dito sa mundo nang ikaw ay nabubuhay pa. Ladies and gentlemen, ang araw ng aking kamatayan, naniniwala po ako na nakakatakot ito marahil para sa iba, ngunit ito ang simula ng tunay na buhay. Thank you.
Our next candidate to answer the question and answer is candidate number 9, Miss Joshua D. Good evening, Miss Joshua D. Kindly pick your question.
Don't wanna think, don't wanna cry, I just wanna keep you out.
The question is, kung bibigyan ka ng pagkakataong baguhin ang isang batas, ano ito at bakit? Again, kung bibigyan ka ng pagkakataong baguhin ang isang batas, ano ito at bakit?
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you so much for that wonderful question. Since hindi pa po legal sa atin ang same-sex marriage, ito po ay aking babaguhin at gusto ko po sana itong ipaligal. Kasi po lahat po ng tao, babae, lalaki, bakla, tomboy, tayo po ay may karapatang magmahal at rumispeto. Sana po ay respeto din natin ang ating mga nararamdaman or ang nararamdaman ng LGBTQIA sa kanilang pagmamahal. Gusto ko po sanang ipabatid sa inyo na sana maligal na po ang civil sex marriage at kung sa church naman po, ito po ay hindi. Maraming salamat po.
And now finally, the last top 5 finalists to answer the question and answer portion is candidate number 10, Angelica Hernandez Bermudez. Kindly pick your question. The question is, paano mo ilalarawan ang tunay na kagandahan? Again, paano mo ilalarawan ang tunay na kagandahan?
Okay, simple that question and simple my answer. Just a little bit. Okay, paano ko daw ilalarawan ang kagandahan? Actually, ang ganda wala po sa itsura. Kung hindi nasa loob po ito. Ito yung tinatawag nilang nasa loob, ang tunay na ganda. Aanuhin mo yung ganda ng mukha kung masama naman ang ugali. Aanuhin mo yung ganda ng mukha kung ito ay traitor naman pag nakatalikod ka. Aanuhin mo yung ganda ng mukha sa bandang huli, iiwanan ka din. Dahil naniniwala ko, ang tunay na maganda ay nasa puso. Yun ang tawag na pagmamahal. Yun ang tawag na pagtanggap mo kung sino man ang mapunta man sa'yo dahil ayun ang may importanteng puso at ayun ang tinatawag nila na makapangyarihan na puso. Kahit anong mangyari man sa'yo, kahit anong piliin mo, basta ito ay may magandang puso. Ito ang tinatawag na golden heart. Dahil pag ito nakuha mo sa isang tao, yun ang tinatawag na kagandahan. Hindi po sa panglabas na anyo. Kung hindi po ito ay nasa loob. At yun po lang ang aking masasagot. No punchline, direct to the point. And I thank you.
Thank you very much, Miss Angelica, our candidate number 10. Eto na mga taga San Ildefonso. Our fourth runner-up goes to candidate number 4th runner-up is candidate number 9, Miss Joshua D. She will receive a cash, a sash, and of course a crown from our organizers and sponsors. Congratulations on winning fourth runner-up, candidate number 9, Miss Joshua D. And now is our third runner-up. Our third runner-up will be awarded by Mr. Angelo Maghirang and Ms. Annabel Sanchez. And our third runner-up goes to candidate number candidate number 3. Candidate number 3, Miss Karil Aduana Borlongan. She will also receive a sash, a crown, and a cash prize from our organizers and sponsors. Congratulations, candidate number 3, our third runner-up. And now is our second runner-up. And our second runner-up will be awarded by one of our judge, Miss Arnie Alvarez, and of course together with Miss Carla Ponzalan and Mr. Darren Braga. Our second runner-up goes to candidate number Sanel Dibonso. Who's your bet? Second runner-up is candidate number 8, Miss Icy Tria. She will also receive a cash, a sash, and a crown from our organizers and sponsors. And now, ladies, would you come forward? To award our first runner-up is Honorable Joey Breeze and Miss Anusha Sanchez. And also to award our Miss Gay San Ildefonso 2025 is Miss Dexa Castro, together with Honorable Wesley Massa and Honorable J.V. Belena. Ladies and gentlemen, ang tatawagin ko po ay ang ating first runner-up. Okay? Ang tatawagin ko po ay ang ating first runner-up. At ang hindi ko po tatawagin will be our next Miss Gay San Ildefonso 2025. And now, our first runner-up is candidate number matinding laban ang pinagdaanan ng lahat to. And it all boils down to our first runner-up and winner of Miss Gay San Ildefonso for tonight. The first runner-up is candidate number 5, Miss Jennifer Bonello. And our Miss Gay San Ildefonso 2025 is candidate number 10, Miss Angelica Hernandez Bermudez. both of them will receive a sash, cash, and a crown from our sponsors and our organizers. Congratulations to our first runner-up, Miss Jennifer Juanillo, candidate number 5. And now, the moment of truth. Our winner for Miss Gay San Ildefonso Alaminos Laguna 2025 is candidate number 10, Miss Angelica Hernandez Bermudez. Congratulations to our winners!
And our Miss Gay San Ildefonso 2025 or our crown keeper is Angelica Bermudez.
Hello, what's up? Buhay pa ba kayo? Umaga na. Thank you so much and thank you dito sa lugar na to in fairness. This is my first title in this year. Itong year na itong 2025, puro first, puro second, fourth, at least na iba naman.
That is right. So congratulations.
Thank you.
And of course, Angelica, how does it feel that, you just mentioned it's your first time, and of course, you have more pageants this coming days. So how excited you are for those pageants?
Sobrang excited sa mga darating pang pageant kasi actually pag pageant alam mo namang 'di bang nakaka-thrill at saka may mga eksenang magaganap, especially sa mga bunutan ng number. Alam mo yan, nakakakaba. At saka higit sa lahat yung mga makakalaban din nating actually bugbugan na sobrang mga pageant ngayon kasi maraming generation na magaganda na sumisibol.
That is right. Well, I don't want to take your time. It's beauty rest. Yes. Congratulations once again and hoping for more crowns for you because you deserve it. You have a genuine heart.
Thank you so much, Transpan. Thank you. Love you.
Thank you so much. That's our queen. Well, it's a wrap, trans fans. We already have our crown keeper, Angelica Bermudez. And of course, congratulations to the rest of our top 5 candidates here in Miss Gay San Ildefonso 2025 here in Alaminos, Laguna. I am just so proud of you ladies. You're doing a good job. Just continue making your mama proud. And of course, trans fans, thank you so much for staying until this moment. I totally appreciate your presence and you're still watching us. And of course, see you on our next live and I will announce it right away. We will be live in Tanay on Sunday. That would be January 26th. So see you there. Of course, trans fans, I would like to thank my sponsors, Fresh Beauty Aesthetic, for always taking care of my skin, for always making sure that I'm gorgeous, I'm always fresh, and of course, and Classy Beauty Atelier, for always fixing and making my hair gorgeous all the time. And of course, for my makeup for tonight, it's JM Ermilio. For my hair, it's JM Ermilio. Well, thank you so much. Well, there you have it, trans fans. Thank you so much. It's a good night. I am your host, Stacy Dorteo, and this is brought to you by Trans Fans.